I really hope that I get through this, I can get a good rank. I don't know, I'm really tensed about the future. There are so many things that I haven't studied yet. I just hope that, I get a good college.
That was me during my JEE prep, and as you can clearly see, मेरी गांड फटी पड़ी थी. एंड मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई डू हैव सम थिंग्स टू से एज समवन हु हैज गॉन थ्रू दिस शिट. नॉट टू मेंशन अब मेरे पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म भी है जहाँ पे मैं अपने दिल की चीजें खुल के बोल सकता हूँ. सो अगर तुम्हारा जेई अच्छा नहीं गया या फिर कोई भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं गया फॉर दैट मैटर, स्टिक अराउंड टिल द एंड बिकॉज देयर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स दैट आई थिंक यू शुड रियली नो. एंड जस्ट इन केस इफ यू आर वंडरिंग, मेरे सिर्फ 85 परसेंटाइल ही बने थे, ठीक है. तो मैं डेफिनेटली कोई क्रैकिंग के टिप्स नहीं देने वाला. क्लियरली आई एम नॉट द गाय फॉर दैट. एंड ना ही आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट द टॉप 10 जेईई ऑल्टरनेटिव्स दैट यू शुड नो. You know, JEE is probably one of the many exams in the nation जिसने बच्चों को genuinely एक प्रेशर कुकर बना के रख दिया है. Like 15 लाख बच्चे JEE देते हैं and उनमें से सिर्फ 3 to 4% अच्छे कॉलेजेस में जा पाते हैं क्योंकि वेल अच्छे कॉलेजेस है ही कम. एंड अगर तुमसे JEE क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, suddenly you are the disappointment, you are the failure and you regret your life choices. And this feeling for some people is going to be staying for years. But दो कदम पीछे चल रही हो, like even before JEE, let's actually talk about the entire system because everything is just so messed up by. Let's actually start with my own experience, ठीक है. मेरा पेपर 27th January 2024 को था. And guess what? I actually felt good after the exam क्योंकि मेरा पेपर अच्छा गया था, surprisingly. And then I'm standing outside after giving the exam and literally everyone जिसको भी मैं मिल रहा हूँ सब बोल रहे हैं कि उनका पेपर अच्छा गया था. And you know what that means? That means you're cooked भाई, you're cooked. And मेरी जो गांड फटी थी भाई, because the thing with JEE, right? तुम सब कुछ ढंग से कर सकते हो. You can show up, you can work hard, and at the end, the sheer freaking randomness of the exams, the freaking slots, the normalization process, भाई तुम्हें एकदम mess up कर देगा भाई. Like hopes दिखा के तोड़ना क्यों है भाई? अच्छा LPG खत्म होगी, अरे don't worry bro, अरे बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए क्या कौन यूज करता है? And yet this exam is what defines your worth according to everyone around you. And here's what actually bothers me the most, it's not the exam, it's not the competition, it's not the difficulty of the paper, it's actually that somewhere along the way we started creating that exam as our identity. ये मेरे साथ हुआ है and I'm sure that बहुत लोगों के साथ हुआ है that whatever percentile you get, you associate that with your worth. इसके सिर्फ 70 परसेंटाइल आए हैं, अरे पता नहीं होगा, इसके लिए 70 परसेंटाइल आए बस. So many people feel that बच्चों ने शायद मेहनत नहीं की just because उनके परसेंटाइल में वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके नहीं आया. And honestly, internet just made it so much worse. Like इतना ज़्यादा idolization है in IITians का and NITians का. Like I'm not even kidding. मतलब cool edits बन रहे हैं, ये बन रहे हैं, वो बन रहे हैं. I'm like, भाई साहब. I get it. ठीक है, they worked really hard and they also deserve a lot of appreciation for their hard work. But somewhere along the way, I feel what watching these kind of reels and videos make us feel, right? They subconsciously make us feel that if you didn't get IIT, if you didn't get this in IIT, you are less. And that is obviously not true. That's bullshit. But people can't help but feel that. हर साल there are cases where students do the unthinkable just because they think that it's the end of the road for them. They think everything is over just because of this one single result. अगर तुम उस जगह में हो, प्लीज़ घर वालों से बात करो, अपने दोस्तों से बात करो क्योंकि तुम अकेले नहीं हो, ना ही ये एग्जाम तुम्हारी पूरी जिंदगी है. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली राइट, please just talk to your parents and be honest with them for once. And I'm saying this क्योंकि I know there is this thing, right, where when we are preparing for these competitive exams, we can never really be honest with our parents. It's very hard to be transparent with them. मम्मी मुझे हर बार पूछती थी कि एग्जाम कैसा जा रहा है, प्रिपरेशन कैसी चल रही है, and I used to always say कि हाँ मम्मी अच्छी चल रही है, but मैं मम्मी को कभी नहीं बता पाता कि नहीं बन रहे थे क्वेश्चंस भाई मेरे से. मैं पूरी रात रो रहा था, मैं अपने डैड को नहीं बता सकता ये सारी चीजें, एंड ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट थी. एंड आई एम 100% sure a lot of you guys can't be transparent with your parents because somewhere or the other हमें पता होता है that हमें उन्हें anxiety नहीं देना है. हम देख पाते कि वो लोग कितनी ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं. At the end we just want to make them proud. But the one thing that I have realized, right, is that most parents are like so innocent and they always want the best for you. They will never give up on you just because you did bad in in a stupid exam. They might appear to be strict, but you do not have to suppress yourself in front of them. At least now that everything is over, you don't have to pretend. Because trust me, your parents will always be by your side. अब obviously exceptions होते हैं, but most of the times this is the case. अब here's what I genuinely believe, and मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम इसे ढंग से सुनो. अगर तुमने जेई या कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर किया है 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल, you have not wasted your time whether you cracked the exam or not. You know what it feels like to work hard. You know what discipline looks like. Not the Ashton Hall wala, glamorous life wala discipline. The actual unglamorous discipline जहाँ पे तुम अपनी गांड घिस रहे हो. You know what it means like to chase something with everything that you have. And ये कोई छोटी चीज नहीं है, ठीक है? लोगों को सालों लग जाते हैं बस यही रियलाइज करने में. So trust me, तुमने टाइम नेसेसरीली वेस्ट नहीं किया है. बट अब अगर तुम्हें गिल्ट हो रहा है that तुम शायद थोड़ा सा ज्यादा एफर्ट दे सकते थे, तुमने अपने पोटेंशियल को रीच नहीं किया, तुम शायद डूम स्क्रॉल कर रहे थे. You know what? उसे भगाओ मत. Feel it. जितना फील करना है, just freaking feel it, man. Let it be uncomfortable. रो लो, जितना रोना है रो लो. Because that guilt is your brain telling you that you want more from yourself. Hold on to that and remember how bad you actually wanted it. But once you felt it, right? Once you felt everything that your heart has to say, उसे जाने दो. Let it go. Because that's the real learning. एक एग्जाम is just like one chapter. तुम्हारी जिंदगी बहुत बड़ी है and you have no idea what life has in store for you. This, what you're feeling right now, you might be upset, you might be overwhelmed. This is just a phase. I remember, ठीक है, the worst I felt after an exam, ठीक है, it was not after JEE, ठीक है, JEE तो भाई छोड़ो. It was after DPS का admission test of class 11th. Freaking DPS of all the things. Basically 10th में ICSE के बाद I wanted to shift to a CBSE school क्योंकि like things are a bit more simpler there, especially in terms of English and in terms of second language. But I literally failed the exam. I remember how bad I felt क्योंकि मेरे से एक भी क्वेश्चन ढंग से नहीं बना था. भाई मैं legit रो ही लिया था क्लासरूम में. I thought it's the end of the world. Fast forward to 3 years later. By the end of my first year of college, I was able to buy myself a MacBook with my own money. And to be honest, मेरे लिए वो बहुत emotional moment था क्योंकि I remember how much effort I had put in. But if someone told me this उस समय या फिर even during my JEE prep, I would never believe it. And I'm not just talking about money or assets, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो is just an example, क्योंकि वो समझना आसान है. I also mean by the relationship that I have with people and the friends around me. I would never believe any of it. And I'm not sharing this to flex on you guys, ठीक है? I'm sharing this because I just want to let you know that you have no idea what life has in store for you. You might be able to achieve so much in your life जिसके बारे में तुम्हें कुछ idea नहीं है, and everything, every failure, every success will lead you to that point in your life. Alright, this sounds good. But let's be real, ठीक है? Reality तो यही है that most of us want to get in good colleges क्योंकि वहाँ पे education better मिलता है, वहाँ पे opportunities better है. We are not getting that, right? Let's talk about colleges, ठीक है? क्योंकि I feel a lot of people get that wrong as well. So does a college matter? Yes, a college does matter. I'm not gonna be fake about it. क्योंकि the branding of your college, right? The name of your college, it can open doors for you faster than others. But here's what actually matters more inside any college, ठीक है? More than the brand, even more than the education, and that is the people around you. Seriously, तुम जिन लोगों के साथ बातें करते हो, जिन लोगों के साथ घूमते हो, जिन लोगों के साथ मिलके रात भर projects बनाते हो, they will shape you more than any curriculum ever will. The right peer group will push you, it will challenge you, it will show you things that you didn't even know was possible. And that is what a college gives you. It's not a degree, it's a circle. Now, अगर मेरा IIT NIT नहीं हुआ, इसका मतलब क्या मेरा circle छोटा होगा? No. That is not the case. Legit Discord servers join करो अपने field में, build in public, put your work on GitHub, put your work on LinkedIn or Twitter. Show what you're thinking, show what you're building, what you're learning, and you will attract people जो तुम्हारी तरह सोचते हैं. The internet does not have a JEE gate. It does not care where you are studying from. It only cares about तुम अभी क्या कर रहे हो इसी वक्त. बट हाँ, वन थिंग आई विल अग्री ऑन, अगर तुम कोड इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांचेस में हो या फिर मेडिकल ब्रांचेस में हो, आई डू गेट इट बिकॉज तुम्हें इक्विपमेंट एंड लैब्स की ज़रूरत रहती है. एंड बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में शायद उस लेवल का चीज़ें तुम्हें एक्सेस नहीं मिलता, एंड दैट इज़ अ रियल गैप. बट स्टिल द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हु यू आर बिकमिंग, एंड दैट इज ऑन यू, not on your college. Because trust me, I'm in a college where there are students who could have gone to NITs, who could have gone to IIITs or even IITs. And you know something interesting जो मैंने realize की, they are not superhumans. They are literally the same as everyone else. Not the type I have seen, you know, in aura farming edits, आंखों से बिजली निकल रही है. They are literally normal people. But पता है उनके बारे में क्या चीज़ actually cool है? Not that they have cracked some stupid exam. They are cool because they are really hardworking and passionate. Like real, consistent hard work. And that kind of energy, right? That is very attractive. And that is something anyone can be in any college. Literally अभी से. And here's something that I feel that nobody talks about, and that is, well, JEE का भी डिज़ाइन ही नहीं किया गया था लर्निंग को प्रायोरिटाइज करने के लिए. It's just to filter out people. Like genuinely think about it. Let's say तुम thermodynamic में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखते हो. You really want to go, you know, deep into it. You want to go beyond what the textbook says. Guess what? JEE does not give a shit. क्योंकि अगर तुम ऐसा सब्जेक्ट या ऐसा टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो जिसका वेटेज कम है जेई के एग्जाम में, जेई डजंट केयर, जेई प्रॉब्ली वोंट रिवॉर्ड यू, इट विल नॉट गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स. बस एक ही क्वेश्चन आएगा, सो यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम लर्निंग समथिंग दैट इज इररेलेवेंट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम, नो मैटर हाउ इंटरेस्टेड यू आर. यू लिटरली हैव अ सिलेबस, यू लिटरली हैव अ गिवन सेट ऑफ टॉपिक्स जिनमें से ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. डू दैट एंड सिक्योर योर सेल्फ और रैंक, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट, you're falling behind everyone else. And ये learning नहीं है, ये optimization है. Optimization for marks. You're not building curiosity, you're building a rank. I don't think इसमें कुछ कर भी सकते हैं because the entire point of that exam is to filter out people. It literally exists so that it can eliminate most of the people and only have the top few. But in my opinion, तुम अपनी ज़िंदगी के किसी भी point में हो, you should always try to focus and prioritize actual learning instead of just grades. Basically, you know, the point of education. Because अगर तुम्हें genuinely कोई subject पसंद था and चीज़ें genuinely सीखनी थी instead of just being able to solve them quickly, JEE probably felt very suffocating to you. And not because तुम smart नहीं थे, it's probably because you were not ready to play that kind of a game. So trust me, it's fine. You don't have to feel कि तुम्हारी पूरी ज़िंदगी खत्म हो गई है. But अगर तुम ये एग्जाम दे रहे हो thinking that, you know, it's the only option you have just because everyone else around you is doing it, maybe, ठीक है, just maybe, the result of your exam is pointing you to a different direction entirely, you know, subtle foreshadowing. Anyways, I think this is all. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा rant कर लिया to be honest with you, but I really hope it reaches to whoever who needs to hear all of this the most. Until next time.